Getting back to breaking news now this noon out of Lebanon, where a third trial for the man accused of drowning his wife, Ryan Widmer, will in fact happen. 9 News reporter Deb Silverman is live for us in Lebanon with what happens next in the case. Deb?
Lance, this paperwork was filed by the judge around 10 o'clock this morning. In it, Judge Neil Bronson writes that he will not acquit Ryan Widmer of the murder charges. The first trial, in that trial, the jury found him guilty, but that verdict was thrown out because of juror misconduct. And the second trial ended in a hung jury. This decision does pave the way for prosecutors to ask Judge Bronson for a third trial. Prosecutors are expected to do that today or Monday. As far as a change in venue, so far neither side is talking about if they'll request for the trial to be someplace else because of a gag order, and that gag order limits the prosecutors and defense attorneys from saying much. I have talked to some of Widmer's friends and relatives who are extremely disappointed by this decision. Earlier in the week, defense attorneys following the case said no matter what the judge's decision would be, some people would be unhappy. One side would say it's a waste of taxpayer money. The other side would say you just let a murderer go free. Attorney Norm Aubin said a third trial was probably the right thing to do.
He probably wants to be fair to both sides, but fair to both sides may be we have a trial. It clears Mr. Widmer's name, or the state of Ohio finds him guilty of a reasonable doubt.
Later on today, we'll be talking with more of Widmer's friends and relatives. We'll bring you updates as soon as we get them on WCPO.com. Lance?
Deb, thank you. A Monroe woman